Today we're taking a look at the Raxiom LED third brake light with a smoked lens designed for the 2008 to 2023 4Runners. This third brake light not only is going to enhance the vehicle's appearance, but also improve safety by providing brighter and more noticeable braking signals. This Raxiom LED third brake light features this nice smoked polycarbonate lens that offers a slick, modern look that's going to complement both stock and customized 4Runner builds. These bright LEDs are going to make sure that your braking signals are even more highly visible, even under those adverse weather conditions, which is going to enhance the safety by catching the attention of distracted or careless drivers behind you. This is manufactured from OEM grade materials, and the light is assembled to precise standards for long-lasting quality. The housing is weather sealed to prevent dirt and moisture from harming the state-of-the-art electronics, so you know this LED light is going to last for years to come. Altogether, it's a very simple LED plug-and-play brake light with a nice smoked lens to help complement any other black aftermarket mods you might have on the car, or just give you a nice clean look on the back overall. This is going to be constructed from a very durable ABS plastic housing and a smoked polycarbonate lens. This third brake light is built to withstand the elements, and polycarbonate is especially helpful because it stands up to UV exposure, so it's not going to fade or crack over time like those stock lights tend to do. The weather sealed design ensures that the internal components are protected from dirt and moisture, so you're not going to get the hazy light and the hazy fog on the inside sometimes you get on those stock ones. That's going to contribute to the longevity and the reliability of the light. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in around that $70 price range. That's going to be a solid value that offers a combination of enhanced safety, durability, and some aesthetic appeal for your 4Runner. Installation on this is very straightforward, so we're rating this just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 15 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process works.
Tools required for this install include a Phillips head screwdriver. What's up guys? Today we're installing a third brake light on our 4Runner, so let's get started. To remove your third brake light, grab a Phillips head screwdriver, pop out these 2 screws, and then we'll just disconnect our connector. Let's rotate this around, press in on that tab, and pop it out. Now we're going to take our new third brake light. I'm going to plug in my connector first, and then get it up into place, and then we just have to reinstall our 2 screws. Now grab your Phillips head screwdriver and reinstall your 2 screws. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Raxiom LED third brake light smoked for your 2008 to your 2023 4Runner. Thank you for watching. For all things 4Runner, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.